So once you put your airfoil, we need to break the relation from the origin point, so we can move the airfoil freely. Now we're gonna create two construction lines from the trailing edge to the leading edge, and another construction line is going. This needs to be a vertical and this needs to be horizontal. So this is the zero angle of attack. Now we need to create our domain, create a rectangle. So our chord length I'm gonna use right here is gonna be 1000 millimeters, so that is 1 meter. So a rule of thumb for the domain, ideally, you need to be this is as 10 times the reference length you're gonna use. So 10 times. Let's go 1000 times 10. And let's give it a reference. Small dimensions, not trim. Alright. So let's give it a reference. So we need 40,000. Sorry, 4,000. Alright, so what I'm doing right here basically is I'm creating coincide and midpoint. Yeah. Right. So what I'm doing right now is I'm putting 40% of the domain in front and 60% on the rear. You can do this in many ways, but this is the way I prefer to do it. And for the height, it should be half the length. This is a rule of thumb. Obviously you can research this in your own time and what is the optimum domain values. And we need to make these lines collinear. That's it. Alright. Still I can move it freely, but it's not connected to the origin point, which is fine. Go to surface or surfaces, go to plane and surface. Alright, it's not chosen. Now exit the sketch. Click on the sketch, choose plane and surface, and press OK. And here you have the zero angle of attack airfoil. Now save this in your file. CFD. Put 0_ angle of attack. Now I like to save it 2 times. The first time as a SolidWorks part and the second time as a step file. So I have this file format, step AP203. And I like to name it step after. That's for my reference. So if what happened right now, if you want to change the angle of attack, go on to your sketch, edit your sketch, go to smart dimensions, choose the chord and the vertical line. Alright, first we need to break this horizontal relation, and we can move this freely. So that is currently 90 degrees. Let's say 90 minus 10. So that's 10 degrees angle of attack. Now I need to fiddle with it a bit. So just move it a bit until you have the this point of the chord as close as possible to the leading edge. Now exit the sketch again. Save as. That is 10 degrees angle of attack. Save it second time as step file. And now, so we have our files. Now we're gonna launch answers. If you do not find your answers, just search for workbench right here. It will not show up as answers. If you search answers, these are not the right ones. So launch answers. Now your menu might look a bit different right here, but you should find fluent flow in between brackets, fluent. Now drag and drop it. This we're gonna name 0 angle of attack. And to put the geometry into answers, just right click on it, choose import geometry, and click browse. Let's go to our 0 angle of attack, click on the step file, upload it, and that's it for now.